edges are worn, my steel runs thin. It's been way too long since I felt your kiss. The cold is overtaking me. You know it's slowly breaking me. So take me, darling, to the edge of hell, 'cause I need your touch, that heavenly spell. You know that I still believe. You burn away the shame in me. The bellows blow, swing the heavy sledge, temper me with pain. Forge me in your holy flames. The weight of the world has hardened this heart, and I need you, girl, to twist me apart. Your burning embers call to me, like I'm the only one you need. The bellows blow, swing the heavy sledge, temper me with pain. Forge me in your holy flames.
These days the night shift cutie at the truck stop knows my name. Threw the candle in the midnight oil and lit up the honky-tonk highway. I see the sun come up, 'cause I ain't been to bed. Gonna have my name cut into a stone when I lay my head. No rest for the wicked, at least for a few hundred miles. I'm running wild, ride the lightning, run on empty in the ring of fire. Rolling like the Mississippi, oh mama tried, but I got bad down to my bones. Don't know where I'm gonna go, oh sweet time. I'm running wild, I'm running wild. Always been a runner, never been one for settling down. Spent my life in the backwoods looking for ways out of a one-horse town. I found a six-string ticket and jumped that westbound train. Now I only slowed down long enough to stand up on that stage. Crowd nine is a cloud of